Hello guys, today I'll show you how to repair Outlander rear knocking sound. So normally every single time when I'm releasing the pedal, so after looking, I found on the rear axle, as you can see in the picture, this part is it calls like bush or rear bracket. So as you can see, it's the full damage. So it's not expensive, but it's annoying sound. So it should be replaced as soon as possible anyway. So I take out, that's how it looks. So you see it's fully worn, that's why it's knocking, as rubber don't hold anymore. It should be like this one, new part. Yeah, that's where it was fitted. It's in the middle of a rear axle, as you can see. It's all three bolts. Yeah, and part number is that's a part number. If you take from a dealer, it costs 127, I think, and 79 pence. So it's not too expensive, and only 3 bolts. If you have time, you can replace by yourself or go to some local garage. Thanks for watching.